Before you buy a CMMS, stop and ask these questions. First, does the mobile app work fully offline? I don't mean limited mode or cached data. I mean, can your team create work orders, add photos, log parts, and close jobs without internet? Because maintenance doesn't happen in Wi-Fi zones. It happens in basements, warehouses, and remote sites. Second, is it actually easy for technicians to use? If it feels complicated, adoption will fail. Third, does it automate preventive maintenance, or are you still chasing schedules manually? Fourth, does it give real reporting and dashboards? Because you need visibility, not just stored data. And fifth, will it still work when you grow? Because it works fine today can turn into a mess when your assets double. Don't get stuck with the wrong system. Get more tips from our CMMS Buyer's Guide, link in bio.